Hi, this is Kim. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about Word, how to use and edit the templates that come inside Word. So, let's get started. I have a taskbar shortcut here. I can go to Word, or to get to Word, you can scroll through your things. It will be with the W's, Word. If you want, you can right mouse click and pin it to start, and then it would be here. If you want it on your taskbar, right mouse click, more. Well, you would say pin to taskbar. I already have it on the taskbar. So if you want it on your desktop, first you pin it to start. So first you get it here by going right mouse click, send to start, pin to start. And then once it's in start, you can just drag it to your desktop. And then you always have that icon there. It makes it easy to get to quickly. Okay, so let's open it. So these are the templates I'm talking about. Someone asked me how to edit them, so I'm going to show you. So let's pick something a little more fun. Let's pick a flyer. Let me show you real fast. Each of these categories up here, there's business, cards, flyers, letters, education, resumes and cover letters, and holiday. So you can pick, if you know what you want, like here's some cute education ones. So if you click on education, you can make little cards, report covers, name badges. See, it tells you what it is. School project or report. There's a lot of holiday ones. Like Halloween is coming. Hey, let's do that. Let's pretend we're going to have a Halloween party. This one's cute. Let's just pick this one. So you just click on it and then click create. And now it's here inside Word. Whee, it's kind of fun. I wanted to show you this view too. I make mine big because I like to see the whole area really well, but you can also go to 100%. And that'll show it that way. You can do one page, it'll show the whole page. Page width. Yeah, let's just do one page, and you can kind of see as we go along. Okay. So what we do to click to edit it is you just click inside, and it'll let you type. So it's a Halloween party. Let's say we're not going to have it on the 21st. We want to have it. Oh, look at design, layout. So you have different tabs based on what you've clicked on. That's interesting. Okay, so let's say we want to have it November 1st instead. So you just click and type. We're going to have it at Hillcrest Park. Costumes required, sure. RSVP. There we go. So it's very easy. You just click and type. Now you can print it. Okay, we're not going to print it because I just want to show you how easy that was. Don't save because I don't really want it. Let's do another one. Open Word. Okay, so then we go up here. Let's do a flyer. Just pick a flyer that you like. What's jumping out at me here? Here we go. A cute little fox. Okay. So this one has a lot more text, but it's cute. So anyways, there's let's say we want to call it's going to be a baby shower instead. Please join us for a baby shower. Baby cookies and treats. Oh, we're not going to have a baby there. What we're going to say. Just change some names. Let's see. Please join us for Sarah's Baby shower. Okay. We can change the color, like this blue doesn't show up real great. You can change that to white. See if that looks better. Let's see. So you can just play with it. And you can change it to however you want. There we go. That's cute. Let's see. So you can change everything. We'll have it on November 17th. Sure. Oops. Nobody's going to come if it's at 9 a.m. Let's say 1 o'clock p.m. Whatever. We can leave that address there. That looks good. And then, these are, oops. Oh, so I can type, right. On November 5th. Sarah's mom, blah, 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 whatever. And now you can print it out. So it's very simple to do. It's fun too. Let's do one more. Let's close it out. So I want to tell you, to get to them, it's best to open up a new, fresh thing of Word. Because if you go to File, Open, you don't get all these categories all the time. Here, let's do a card. Okay, so let's see. What's jumping out here? Yeah, let's do a thank you card. Now, as is, it's perfectly fine. But you want to print on the other side of it, right? So you want to create another page. So this is the fret page. So this will be the top. So when you fold it over, we want to print on the bottom of this page. Right? Oh, we should drag this up. So you just click on it. Oh, why is it not letting me do that? Okay, let's forget that. Okay, let's open Word again. Let's pick a card. Oh, this one's pretty. Let's do this. Let's create that. It's a sympathy card, but it's pretty. You don't have to say with Dear Sympathy. We could change it if you wanted, but it's pretty. We'll leave it like that. If you just highlight it and change it, you can say Happy Birthday if you wanted. But here's where you want to scroll down, and this is the inside of the card. So this is where you could type. We are so sorry to hear of the loss of your tree that you loved so much. Oops. That's kind of lame, but I didn't want to pick a person because I don't want to be sad. The tree's sad too, but with our deepest condolences. Kim and family. Okay, so then you just highlight this, Control C, highlight this, Control V, and there you go. And I'm not sure why there's a blank page at the end, since it was part of the template, but so, and then you just print it. Print it double-sided, so this would be the first side, and if you print two double-sided on that, if your printer allows you to automatically do double-sided, that's great, but otherwise you have to put the paper back in. So put the paper back in and then print the second side, and then you can just cut it right here along this line and fold it, and you have your little card. Probably don't want two of them, but that's kind of a dumb example, I'm sorry, but anyways, yeah, so that's that. I wanted to show you one other thing while I'm in here. So let's open just a new document, blank. I wanted to show you how to change the default font. So when you first get Word, this Calibri is your default font. But oops, let me view this bigger so you can see. Page width. So this is Calibri, and let's say you like Times Roman. So you just go to this is the font group. And then go down here, open this. So pick, I don't know. Oops. Let's go to Times, New Roman. Let's say we want a little bit bigger. There we go. So that would make it Times New Roman regular 12 would be our default font. And here it is here. And then you just do set as default. So you could choose to set it default for just this one document or for all documents based on the normal template. The normal template is what opens up every time you open a new Word document. So if you want this to always be your default font, choose this. I'm going to choose just for this document now because I'm not really going to change my font. But so now everything I type on here will be this font. Oops. Times Roman, and it changed what I had before also. You can still change it, so you wanted something different. But then, yeah, so then it's easy to go back and forth. Like I said, if you want it always to be Times Roman, set it as your default for all documents using the normal template. But if you just want it for the one, then it's just going to change it for one. But you can still change it to something else. So you still have all your options. It just makes the default font. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you today. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this, please click like and also subscribe so you can find me again, and I'll see you next time. Thanks!